For me, it's the natural way or not at all.
This is something you can take and feel like it's actually making you healthier.
The four of us really came together because we found an alternative.
To change the game.
I was so attracted to Just Live because it's a product I can trust.
There's so many benefits to it outside of just being an athlete. You know, I guess because we're athletes, we tend to be more injury prone.
I wouldn't put my heart or name to something if I really didn't believe in it.
We want people to know that there is an alternative that's going to allow you to sleep better, that's going to allow you to be in less pain in your daily activity, to do what you need to do to live a better life.
We're here to create awareness around a natural solution.
Athlete founded.
Nature grounded.
Just Live.